YouTube marketing Blånærs outlines common mistakes in YouTube marketing and how to avoid them. It stresses realistic expectations, avoiding over-reliance on YouTube for traffic, and the importance of quality content. The guide emphasizes engaging the audience through valuable and entertaining videos, not just commercials. It recommends consistency in video uploads and paying attention to various performance metrics like views, likes, and sales conversions. By avoiding these Blånærs, marketers can effectively utilize YouTube for their promotional strategies. For more details, click the link featured in this video's description. Remember to subscribe for more pertinent information.